Welcome to day 20. Key to human nature. From early on in life, human develop in defensive self-protective side of the person. It being in early stage that the others should not violate it. Later explain to the feeling of personal dignity. People should not experience or manipulate as doing that we don't want to do. We should be free or to choosing what we desire. These are the necessary developments in our growth as socialized human. By the time we reach our 20s, we have all developed system or defense, but in the certain circumstances or inner walls can be tumbling down from instant during a night with friends. Perhaps after some drinking, we feel bonded with others and not judged by them. In other instance, therapy attend some publicly rally and hear an inspiring speaker advocating for a cause, feeling on the same page as the hundred others caught up in a group stated we suddenly feel called the acting and to work for the cause, something we might normally resist. Creating this feeling of a validation is the golden key that we to unlock people defensive and we cannot survive through in this highly competitive world without a possessing. So it's such a power. We must discover the power that we can possess by the giving people the validation they crave and lowering defensive and the key to making in happen in a realistic and strategic manner is fully understand fundamental law of human nature. This law is follows. People have a perspective about themselves with then we shall call it the self opinion. This self opinion can be accurate or not. It doesn't matter. What matter is how precise and the own character worthiness. And there are three qualities people self opinion that are nearly universal. Autonomous, acting on my free will. I'm intelligent in my own way. I'm basically good. Listen, when it's come to the first universal, I'm acting on my own free will. If we join group or believe something or buy a product, it is because we choose to do. The truth might be we are manipulated or some through the peer pressure, but we will tell ourselves something else. With the second universal, I'm intelligent. We may realize we are not on the level of an Einstein, but in our field, in our way, we are intelligent. People are generally never comfortable with the thought that they could be gullible and less than intelligent if they have to admit they are not smart. If the conventional they will at least they think they are clever than others. With the third universe, I am a good person. We fight ourselves, supporting a right cause. We treat people. We are team player. If we happen to move boss like instill discipline, the troops we call it tough love. We are acting for the good for the other. When you try to convince people of something or three things they happen first, you might challenge a particular aspect of the self-opinion. If this happens, you make people even more defensive and resistant. Second, you can leave the self-opinion in a neutral position, neither challenge nor confirm. In this scenario, people remain resistant and dubious. And when you have at least not tighten them up, when you have some room to maneuver them with your rational argument. Third, you can actively confirm their self-opinion, their minds open, making them suspect susceptible to suggestion and insinuation where they decide to help you, they feel like they are doing this their own free will. Your task is simple. Instead, is the people of feeling inner security mirror their values, show that you like and respect them, makes them feel you appreciate their wisdom and experience, generate an atmosphere of mutual warmth that get them to laugh along with you, instilling feeling into wrap all of this work. If the feeling are not completely fake by exercising and your empathy by getting inside their perspective, you are more likely to genuinely feel like at least a part of such emotion practice is softened enough to confirming people's self-opinion will become your defaulting position. You will have a losing up effect. Losing up effect almost everyone encounter. The greatest obstacle you will face in developing this power come from a culture against their very idea of influence. Why can't we all just be honest and transparent with another? Simply ask what we want. Why can't we let just people who they are not try to change them being strategies ugly and manipulative first when people tell you such thing you should be on guard when you we humans cannot stand feeling of powerless. We need to have influence. We become miserable. Or no different, but because they need to believe in their angelic quality, they cannot square this self opinions. They need to have influence also. They have to be open for passive aggressive pouting and making others feel guilty as means of getting what they want. Never take people who say such thing as a face value. Second, we human cannot avoid trying to influence others. Everything we say or do is examined and interpreted by others for clue as our intention is a social animal. We cannot avoid constantly playing the game, whether we are conscious. Since the game is unavoidable, better to be skillful and undeniable or merely improvising in the moment. In the end, being good influencer is actually more socially beneficial than the moral stand. By having this power, we can influence people who have dangerous antisocial ideas. Becoming a professional processing require that we immerse ourselves in the perspective of others. Exercising or empathy we might have able by cultural and nod our head in agreement, but about the need completely honest in our team. We must realize this is nonsense practice is necessarily for overall well-being. Five strategies of becoming master. The following five strategies distilled from the examining pleasure great influence in history are designed to help you focus more deeply on your targets. People it would be vital to pull all five into practice, transform yourself into a deep listener in the normal flow conversation. Our attention is divided in our own thought feeling experience. Then in those of the other hand, if this were not in the case, we would find it relatively easier to listen with full attention than usually prescription talk less, but this is meaningless. Avoid as a long we prefer our own internal monologue. The only solution is somehow motivate to reverse this dynamic. Only too well, but each person you encounter represent an undiscovered country full of surprise. Imagine for a moment that you could step inside, but mind what an amazing journey that could be. People seem quiet and dull, often have a strange inner life for you explorer. Transforming yourself into a deep listener will not prove more amusing as you open yourself to mind that will also provide you the invaluable lesson about human cycle. Once you are motivated to listen, the rest is relative simple. You must not buzz the person with the question that make it feel like a job interview. Instead, paying attention to non-verbal cue, you will see that eye lights up when certain topics are mentioned. You must guide the conversation in the direction people will chatty about realization. Almost everyone likes to talk about childhood, their families, and the work. Some causes the dear unofficially questions the place of something they have said. You are deeply absorbed in what they say, but you must feel appears realizing being you convey that they are listening by maintaining relatively consistent eye contact and nodding as they talk. The best way to signal how deeply you are listening is occasionally something them that mirror what they have said, but in your own words and filter through the experience in the end more they talk, they will reveal about this insecurity and unmet desire. In fact, people with the proper mood, as social animals, we are extremely susceptible of moods of the other people's. This gives us the power of infuse into the people that appropriate influencing them. If you realize and anticipate pleasure, expertise, this will communicate itself into have a mirror. Like effect of the peoples are one of the best attitude to adapt for the reason of complete indulgence. You do not judge other people in except they are a variation of this. In fact, people's warm feeling are after through laughter and share pleasure. Many studies on verbal cue demonstrate incredible power with some simple touch of people hand or arms can have in any interaction, making them think positive thing about you without and serving away our sources good opinions, such as established feeling of a versus raptor. As long as you do maintain eye contact, will give it a much sexual connotation. But keep in mind that your expectation about people are communicated to them non-verbal by feeling particularly excited when you are meeting someone. You will communicate this to him in a powerful. If there is a person of you whom will eventually ask if you are trying imagining him